Today I'm going to give you an honest opinion of the Toybox 3D printer. We're going to go over some of the pros and cons. I'll show you some of the prints that we have made and the library that they have on the app. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I do product reviews here and there. Alright, today we are going to do a quick review on the Toybox 3D printer. We did buy this for my son for Christmas. It is something that it says it is for 3D printers for everyone. It really is an easy 3D printer because we've never used one before. It's our very first one. So I'm going to show you just kind of a quick overview, some of the pros and cons, and just a quick summary of how to use it. So what got us interested in this was, of course, the license thing. So I'm going to go over that a little bit, like SpongeBob and TMNT. We have Marvel characters. There's all kinds of stuff. I believe this is the 2.0, and you just need the app to get started. So it is really easy. I'm going to do a quick screen recording here so I can kind of show you a few features that it has. I'm going to go to create. I'm going to show you a screen recording here so you can see, but there is going to be Black Buddy. So Black Buddy, you can customize your own character. I let the kids do this one. It was super cute and I wanted to show you guys. So this is Vanessa's. She picks the color, the face, what outfits they want, and I think they have roller skates. So we did get to pick the color. Now, when I changed the color on this guy, it was black and I changed it to blue, and I didn't like hit the button enough to get rid of the black entirely. So that can happen if you don't get rid of the other color first, just a heads up. And then back to this, you can build a car, you can draw something, and then so Vanessa did do that, I'll show in a second, and then you can upload a picture. So let's go with the picture that I did. I removed the background on a Squid Game figure, the little pink guys, and then I had it print, so then I hit next, and then it places it on the app here, so you can kind of see like how it's gonna go. So you can do this with any picture online or anything you draw, but drawing is kind of limited because you're using your finger. Then you just print it. So it is flat. It is a flat piece, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is my little Squid Game guy, and I figured I could put like a magnet on him, maybe even paint him. So that's from doing it on the app itself. I also did one for my daughter. This is from Powerpuff Girls. It's the Ratty Rough Boys, which she can color in herself. Let's go back to create and draw, and then this is what my daughter used for this little guy. She did this. And then we also did these articulated ones did not break as of yet. Some of them do. It depends what prints, I guess. Sometimes it's hard to get it unstuck from the little mat that it prints on.
You can make it a little finger puppet.
Yep, you can make a finger puppet. So the kids like these. So the filament's $10 and it seems to last forever. Yes, the axolotl. We've had 93 prints so far, and we still have a lot of filament. Like I said, this is like $10 a color, and you can use other brands too. So it's just that the one that I have is a little bit heavier to put on the back of it, so be careful with that. So then from the main screen here, I'm doing another recording. You can go to popular. So that's kind of what I started with to see what would be some popular prints. These are, I believe, for the most part free to print. It's the license, except for when it has the bolts. So like SpongeBob is 1.4 thousand bolts, which is around $10 or so. So I'm not a big fan of the license stuff costing extra. You don't have to do it though. You have a lot of options here. And then you can go under new, so they always have new stuff. It tells you how long things take, how many likes something has. If you have a subscription, you can get access to Toybox Originals. So some of them are free, some of them cost. We did get, I think, 5,000 bolts. Was it? Yeah, I think it was 5,000 bolts when we signed up. But it goes really fast. 3,000 is $20, so yeah, you can do like 2 things if it's 1.4 thousand, and that's $10 each. So you really want to have to like the character to spend $10 to print one character. Alright, so we are going to start out making Finn. So I'm going to go into the app here and then go to me. So we're going to do Finn here. I already did the SpongeBob, and Rick wants to do, my husband wants to do the Jurassic. I also like how we could change the color if we wanted. I don't have this light brown right now, but if you can make a green dinosaur or purple dinosaur, you can make Barney if you wanted. So I like how you can customize the colors. And it tells you the parts. So you don't technically need everything sometimes. Sometimes it's just extra. We have done Finn, we've done Jake. So now we need his friend Finn. Jake, I accidentally did some extra pieces like his body and some extra arms.
Finn, where are you, Finn?
Because you can change the arms too. We're gonna start with the head, and that is a white to match. So I'm gonna have to change the color into white, but there's different swords that you can do too if you want him to hold something. There's a backpack bottom and top. My husband may have to help with some of this because it is kind of hard to snap the license pieces together, or some of the more ones that have the connectors can be a little tough. But this kind of tells you what you need to do. I'm gonna print him. Now to change colors, right now I have green in here. It is really easy to change. You're gonna have to turn it on. I'm only gonna show this one time. So we're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna hit food, and it's gonna warm up. So then it'll tell you to eject or to insert. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get ready to find the white here. It's a little messy, sorry, but I have it came with, I believe, 6 colors, and then I bought this green apple, a pink, like a cotton candy pink, charcoal gray, and a brown. While this is warming up, it isn't perfect. Like sometimes they're supposed to articulate, like this one didn't. I think somebody came up with this and put it, like someone's creative idea, and put it in the app. I don't know if it's toy boxes.
We've made Nova. She's so cute.
We did make Nova. One of them broke off. So these articulated ones can break. So you just have to be careful with them. Sometimes they break off when you take them off of this. They can just snap. So someone recommended using tape. We may try that eventually. And then this one, it did have a mess up. Vanessa colored the top a little bit here, but it did have a mess up because it got snagged with the cord. It got snagged for some reason, which is the only time it's happened is once. That kind of stinks if you're printing something big. Now we did this SpongeBob playset, which is really cute. It has little tiny pieces inside. Gary, we didn't have a pink shell, so we used purple, and I thought he turned out cute. And Kirby was all pink, but I painted him. I used some marker on the feet because paint's a little bit hard to do on the feet. I mean, I could, but I painted his eyes and his face with acrylic. And there are acrylic markers and stuff too you could use. Vanessa colored this Light Fury and the dog, so that was white. She used marker. I haven't colored this one yet, but this is the Monarchy Neko, which is a good luck cat. It is ready, so we're gonna remove this green. So I'm gonna click remove. I usually only have to touch it once, and then I just pull it out. Sometimes there's a little bit of a stringiness to it. Make sure you get it all out. And then I'm gonna take white and put it on the back. You put this on the back like this. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this white. I'm gonna push it a little bit to make sure it's in there, and then we're gonna press insert. There's some green here. Now you gotta press it a few times to make sure it goes through and it's not the other color. It probably takes like 5 to 7 times. Because right now it's probably like a light green. I'm gonna press it one more time. I'm gonna press head. And then I'm gonna click print me. And then it should be already warmed up from changing the color, so then it's just gonna start. It's pretty simple, and then you have to go through, so this is gonna take 19 minutes. And the face will take 5 minutes, the body will take 27. The rest of them, there's one that's 20 minutes, so it can be done within an hour or less if you remember to start right away. So I'll come back and show you guys in a minute. It does like a little outline, and then it will fill in the rest, and you just peel it off. It also tells you how long you have on your phone, so you'll know whenever it's done. But as you can see, it's just doing the first layer here. If you go under my likes, I have 123 that I've hearted, like a Transformer logo, Animal Crossing, Mario. I didn't unlock Raven, but she's 944 bolts. So, but a lot of these are free. You don't have to pay extra. So that part is nice at least. And there's some cute ones, especially for kids. There's a Mandalorian. They have some articulated ones too. These were cute little printer pals.
My favorite print is Kirby. He's very cute.
Even though it does stink about the bolts, having to pay extra for those, and sometimes certain prints do break easy, I think overall the prints are really good and there's more pros than cons. I can use the white for the socks and connector and the sword. So sometimes it's easier just to use the same color before changing over. And socks just take 1 minute, so that's gonna be quick. But we have, like I said, we have printed a lot so far, and honestly I'm just having more fun than the kids are. I don't know, but they like coloring them, they like playing with them. I personally just like messing around with it. I do want to try other 3D printers. This is just our very first one. I managed to get this much done so far. It is quicker if you do the next item before it cools all the way down. Almost ready here. Tomorrow I'm gonna have my husband help me put it together. His backpack is going there, and then we have the shoes. So, almost there. So like I said, the ones with the connectors are a pain in the butt sometimes to snap on, and I didn't have luck with a couple of them, so I let my husband do this part. It's not impossible, it's just a pain. So the one pieces that print out are way easier than some of these other ones. So if you have little ones, they're probably just gonna wanna do the one piece prints. When you go to print something, it'll tell you if there's multiple pieces. And one of the legs actually broke, so I ended up having to reprint it. It does happen sometimes because the legs are pretty thin, but he turned out super cute. I'm going to show you one more print. Sometimes I think the one piece items are just more sturdy. You have less pieces to break, but the way it prints sometimes is it'll print these little things here and they'll clip off. So it's kind of like to balance it so it doesn't like fall over, I guess, or so it has like a base to print on. Kirby printed like this too. It snaps off those little weird pieces that print, so you can either keep it plain or you can color it when you're done. I hope this video was helpful. I definitely think the 3D printer is worth the $200 or $300 it is. It's always running different sales, and the filament is really cheap, affordable, and it lasts a long time. I wouldn't say it's the best 3D printer on the market because I can't make that judgment with only having experimented with this one, but it is great for a beginner 3D printer and great for families. There's also not much of a smell at all unless you stick your head right next to it, so I don't notice any smelling issues, and it is just a slight hint of noise, but nothing too terrible. Let us know if you have any questions down below, and thank you so much for watching. Click these two videos next, the top one being where we review the next playground, which is an interactive game system, and the bottom one is interacting with these baby raptor puppets and T-Rex puppets. Thank you so much for watching.